Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Timbanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat and I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and bothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Timbanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Your hair is something else.
Thank you, Flamini.
You look like an Indian.
No, I look like a black person. Thank you very much. It's so annoying. Hi, guys. How are you? Jonga, my name is Lisa and I'm from CMTV. We've got a show where we do couples quizzes. Would you guys be willing?
Hi.
No.
No.
She's
No, we're
neutral.
good.
She's saying no because of you. Why are you saying no?
No, man. What is it?
I'm just gonna ask you like
The
three
thing is
questions.
jahile yabona
Yeah,
and
because-
asazi ukuthi ufuna ukukhuluma ngani.
Your relationship,
I-relationship
but
yethu
surface level, not deep things. Like where did you meet? How long have you been together? And then you guys can go.
That's it.
okay. I think we would be interested to give you those answers.
So at least
That's great then.
Okay, please come this side. But there's it deep is in don't like it. Okay, on my right side, fine. Name?
Job.
Jabu and
Nompilo,
Nombilo, how long have you been with the Jabu?
we've been together for 7 months.
7 months.
Yes.
Okay, Jabu still going strong?
Yeah. We are enjoying this relationship, because
Uh-huh.
we are still feeling it,
Okay.
Everything is okay. So, I can tell that ngijabulisa ngayo, sister.
Okay, where did you meet her?
We met at mall, and then I think it was Cresta. Yeah. Then I saw this beautiful lady, and then I'm turned sister.
Shame.
I'm sure.
Later.
Yazin.
Okay. What was your first impression of Ujabu?
No, he is kind, uphansi, akusumuntu okhuluma kakhulu, so yizi izinto zangijabulisa
And
ngayo.
as bafuna amadoda athatha kakhulu shina. So that's attractive.
Yeah, into engi-attractile kuye.
Okay.
Because angithandi nomuntu onodlami, so uJabu akanadlami nje. Yizi izinto ezingenza ukuthi ngibe attracted naye.
Okay. And what do you like about him?
Ngibone sister ngathi uqoqekile, Sister ngathi she's humble, she's submissive. Ngabona ngathi akekho into eneyibhaya, so ngabona ukuthi hayi like Shandis.
Kubantu Jabu,
Yagcwala ngayo.
what's uba kwizinto ezibhaya?
Sengisho ukuthi akagcwalagcwala estradini, lo muntu lowo, uyabona? Ngathi akagcwalagcwala estradini, so ngabona ukuthi hayi no like athi ngicwala ngeShandisi, uyabona?
Okay.
Ngagcwala ngayo sister naye wavele wagcwala ngami, uyabona?
Okay.
Because sesiphusha lekhahlamba no sister, hayi nginosa blind.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nombilo, okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust the job?
8.
8 out of 10,
8
leaving
out of
2 for
10.
disappointment, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Jabu,
Yeah.
on a scale of 1 to 10?
I give her 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, I don't have any doubts ngosister yonke into so far. Angaboni lutho nje ngathi
Awuboni into
liyasolisa.
efani,
Yeah,
okay.
angaboni lutho ngathi liyasolisa, so
Uh-huh.
angigrant 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nombilo, you haven't seen anything. Opani, have you?
Ever since we've met, angikaze ngahlangana nezinye izinto or angiphe i-impression yokuthi mhlawumbe uyangichitela. No, the thing is asibambela, asijwayezanga ukubambela nama-phone, so that's why so far so good. I-relationship yethu isase-right.
Okay.
So yeah, that's
So
why.
you guys don't take each other's phones?
No,
and
there's
you-
no need for that.
There's no need for that.
There's no need.
Jabu, why? Because into yenzayo umuntu ibone efonini.
No, but sho ukuthi sozilandela inkinga nje uma se ungena efonini yakhe. Gcina sekuba nama-misunderstanding, so I think
But if there's
ngiyamthemba.
nothing on your phone, there's nothing dodgy on your phone,
Yeah,
there'll be no misunderstanding.
but the fact that you'd be going through her phone and that simply means you are looking for trouble, you know. That simply means you are not trusting her. So I want to trust her naturally, not because of ifoni yakhe kanjani kanjani, uyayibona.
Okay.
So yeah, ke izinto lezi angazifuni mina. Ngithanda ukuthi nje ngimtrust nje. If there's something izozivelela nje without me digging into her phone, you know. Yeah, so there's no need.
That's your stance.
Yeah.
Okay. Lompilo.
Nami ngisibona isidingo sokuthi size sibambelane amafoni because amafoni aletha iy'nkinga ku-relationship and uyabona sizama uku-akha something so
You're trying to build here.
yeah, uyangi-understand girl. So like angisiboni isidingo sokuthi size sibambelane amaphones azosilwisa sokugathana nje.
Okay.
So that's why ngidecide ukuthi athi ngimthembe nanoma umuntu amanokuphuma namajita as long as mekafika le
And awuyazi
Uyangifo-
wenza ntoni xa ehleli
No,
nama-treat?
mekafika uyangifonela angitsheke ukuthi hayi mama unjani ngithi hayi ngiyaphila right ngiright hayi ngisengifikile nabangani bami so ngithatha le nto angitshelayo yona.
Okay. Hey, okay, guys. Let me tell you the real reason I stopped you, right? So what we really do on this show is that we make couples switch phones, okay? And we're testing your loyalty. That's why we're doing that. Your loyalty to each other.
Why?
Obviously, we're not gonna force you, right? But I suggest that you just check each other's phones. Because in this organization, companies are built and if you go 3 years and one of you is doing something, which would mean you would have wasted each other's time.
Well, I think it makes sense though. It makes
Like,
sense. Yeah.
ulobole wenza yonke into kanti one of you is doing something.
Yeah, no, I think just for this one, Spiff. Maybe just for this one.
Yeah, yandiva uJabu.
No, Lisa, ukuthi ngifila ngathi u-wrong.
Why?
Awusazi nokusazi the next thing usitshela ukuthi kumele switch amafoni which is very wrong.
But why do you have a problem with it? Because uJabu's okay with it. Are you hiding something on your phone?
I'm not hiding anything. I'm not hiding anything from my partner, but I just don't feel
For
like
the sake of time, babe, let's just do this. We are in a hurry.
Ne?
Let's just. How long is it gonna take?
1 minute each.
Okay, no problem. 1 minute, baby. It's nothing. Let's just
Okay.
do this. Yeah, I'm definitely sure. babe.
mara why uvumela umuntu esingamazi ukuthi asitshele ukuthi siyenze njani kwi-relationship yethu?
Man,
Why?
It's a suggestion.
Hayi kodwa baby sukela sisuke khona sithi buzo imibuzo ye-5 minutes the next thing says exchange amafoni. It's wrong. Why are you letting someone else ask them?
we have nothing to hide, Muspet. So let's. We have nothing to hide.
Do you,
So
Lompilo, do you have something to hide?
is there anything?
I'm not hiding anything.
Let's do this.
Let's just do it, Liam.
But we're gonna not.
Shall we can who do you want to start with?
Okay, I can give her mine.
Okay, that's fine. The passcode net that we just open it for me, ne?
Okay, there we go.
Thank you. Go to his WhatsApp, ne?
Okay, let me go to WhatsApp.
Okay, search.
Okay.
Type love you.
Let me type love you. Babe. Hayi ngiyajabula yazi. Vela mina nje
Yeah,
kuphela.
clean. Delete.
Okay, let me delete.
Type miss you.
Miss you. So far,
So good.
so good. Yes.
Okay, delete that.
Okay, delete.
Type outside. Let's see who your man is fetching.
Outside. Oh, vela ama-chats wakho nabo erigile sasikhathi bathi bazoza bazoku-check.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ngakade ngishilo vele ukuthi ifoni yomuntu amayina next.
Let's check Let's finish. You never know.
Mhm.
Delete. Type thank you. Let's see who is doing favors.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. I don't see anything dodgy. Do you?
No.
No. Okay, delete that.
Alright.
Type last night.
Last nights.
Okay. Do you see anything?
Mm-mm.
Okay, delete that.
Alright.
Type akekho.
Akekho.
Okay. Clean, innit?
Yeah, clean.
Okay, delete that. Did we type babe? Type babe.
babe. Okay.
Okay, that's you, ne?
Yeah, imlo.
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type pregnant.
Pregnant. Okay.
Okay. Hayi usanukule ubhuti. Hey.
Jelile.
Okay,
I told you.
Okay, give your man back his phone.
Hayi mina ngitshelile phela.
Ne?
Wenza amaphutha.
No, siyakubona Nompilo.
La emshadweni phela lo.
Ne?
Angifuni maphutha.
Please. Kuphi phone sizikulindile. Kini?
Yo.
Passcode, please
Yo.
open it for us.
Yo.
Nompilo, uyapanika kodwa. Go to her WhatsApp, ne?
Angisiboni isidingo sokuthi nje.
We'll see after we check your phone. Okay, search. Did you go to WhatsApp, ne?
Yeah, this is what.
Okay. Search. Type love you.
Love you.
Okay.
Okay.
Shabu, what are you seeing?
That's me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type miss you.
Miss you. Okay, miss you. Yeah, no, that's her aunt. That's me.
Okay.
That's her sister. Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type babe.
Babe. Okay. No, that's me. That's Demakato, her friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type ageko.
Okay, cool. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Go into the chat. Go into the conversation.
Okay.
Nompilo, uthi kumandla akekho ubani?
No, bengisatshela imngani wakhe ukuthi ake.
Ubani ongekhoyo nguJabu ongekhoyo?
Bamfuna manje
Wait,
bebafona.
wait.
Besazama ukuchaza ukuthi ubaby akekho endlini.
But to Amandla. So Amandla.
Oh, baby ayikho yonke lento le ayikho nje.
Ayikho yini? Yini engekhoyo?
Sami ayikho nje.
Yini engekhoyo?
Go into media.
What's
I can pictures.
Ngachaza.
Baby, the pictures.
Sibona izinto
Iy'thombe lezi.
Sibona izinto
Iy'thombe lezi.
Iseketheni Nompilo.
Izinto ekumele zibonwe yimi zibonwa ngabomandla.
Akusilento oyicabangayo, akusilento.
Yini?
Don't.
Yini le?
Akusiyo babe. Ungamvumeli umuntu ngaphandle asilwise. Ungavumeli umuntu ngaphandle asilwise. Akusiyo. Bengitshela uMandla ukuthi
And these have your face.
Bengitshela uMandla
Pictures with your face.
Then.
No.
Baby,
Ayikho.
ugqoke la malesi bengikuthengele wona ngevalentine wathumelela uMandla.
Hayibo. Bengithi ngizithumelela wena.
Wendoda iqubula insimbi awusuke endleleni. Awuhlehla nje endleleni. Awuhlehla.
Ngizithumelela wena.
Awuhlehla ngikhuluma nomuntu wakho. Esisithatha nomuntu wakho lo.
Suka Dlamini.
Swaya.
No, baby, I can explain.
Explain.
Ngachaza. Baby, le thombe lezo ngisende ngemistake. Ngisende ngemistake. Ngangithi ngithumela wena. Ngangitshela ukuthi ngithumelela wena. Ngangitshela ukuthi ngithumelela wena.
Sapha my
Akhuluma nale ndoda le.
Wasimfonela.
Angimazi.
Awumazi.
Umazi kanjani uMandla wena?
Sicabanisa nomuntu.
Ndimu.
Sizama ukwakha.
Uke kade uvela phona.
I'm sorry. Ndifonela uMandla ne?
Uvela phona sisi.
Sorry, vele bye.
Akusumuntu uMandla, akusumuntu. Angimsendela ngizo iphutha. Iphutha.
Sikhulume mina.
Ngiyaxolisa sendo sendo.
Xolisa ntoni?
Uxolisayo.
Ayikho yonke lento leyo ebonile.
Ubonisa amadoda amanye ishandisi zami. Impela kumele kabuke lapho. Kanjani? Uxolisani?
Hi, can I please speak to Mandla?
No, ngiyaxolisa sendo. Ungavumeli abantu ngaphandle.
Ubonisa uMandla wonke ukudla kwami nje.
Hi, can I please speak to Mandla?
Ubonisa uMandla wena.
Mandla.
Awundoda awuyeke man.
I-relationship yami
Awuqubula insimbi lawo. Uhlukana nami.
Hello?
Hello.
Can I please speak to Mandla?
ayikho nje.
Mandla.
Yo.
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking to Mandla?
Yebo mama.
Uyamazi Nompilo?
Vele sazihambela. Bekungcono ivesi vele sazihambela.
Unompilo yintoni kuwe?
Ngayo yonke inhliziyo yami bese ungenza so.
Intombi yakho?
Inhliziyo yami yonke wena ungenza so.
How long have you been with Nombile?
Yini lokho kusefonini yakho?
No, 3 years much.
3 years.
Uzawubani wena?
Yebo.
3 years. 3 years. Yini kuwe kanti wena mina? Hawu kodwa sisi, yini nalomntu wakho lo umendele nami?
Yo, sisi.
Sorry.
Yini kanje?
Ngiyangimoshela. Ngiyaxolisa. Ngiyeza.
3 years.
Why did you cheat? And you've been with Ujabu for 8 months. So Ujabu is side Ujabu. Makhwapheni.
Wakho wena.
Awusumakhopheni wami, awusumakhopheni wami. Ngikuthandile phela, ngikuthandile. Bengisakufunda, ngikuthandile. Angisa isikhathi nawe. Ngangithi ngiyazizamela.
Kathani?
Skatsani. Ayikho indaba kaMandla ayikho nje. Ayikho. Ngiyaxolisa ayikho. Ungakhulu abantu bangaphandle.
Ungikhatha nabantu wena.
Angeke,
Ungikhatha
baba.
nabantu wena.
Angeke baba, ayikho nje yonke lento le. Ayikho.
Sondela la.
Xabanisa, ungamvumeli.
3 years.
3 years.
Nasho nje ngumakhopheni.
Uzomlahla nini uMandla ke?
Oh, sando sami nje ngachaza.
Ngithengele zona.
Yo, ngiyaxolisa.
Silenjani engithengele? Uyayazi ukuthi malini uMandla lento?
uMandla mina sengimyekile kahle kahle. Uyofuna mina uMandla.
Ubukisela bomandla into ezimnanga ukuthengele zona.
Uyongafuna ukungiyekela. Sengimyekile uMandla.
Yebo into recent le. Into recent le.
Angeke baba.
This is a recent thing.
That's a recent thing.
Uxabanisa nomuntu wami.
Uphoqile uMandla.
Siyani ndawo you cheated.
Uphoqile uMandla.
Angicheat babe.
uMandla uphoqile ukuthi umthumelele lezi zinto lezi.
Ngangiphoqanga kwakuyiphutha lingeke liphinde lenzakale.
Iphutha lani?
Nje indaba ye3 years.
Uyahamba nje uyadlalisa ukudla kwami nje labantwini uyadlalisa.
Ezohlangana nathi azosichazela ngene ngoba uyazi
Ndimfonele mos uMandla.
Angiqamba manga.
uMandla uthi wena ujole naye for 3 years. Umakhwapheni musi. Ngesithi ungiqhela umnqondo noMandla lo. Hey man, hey.
Kakhulu.
Wena
Uyamyeka la?
kanti amyeka anti hey man, wena hamba ya kuMandla anisakufuni wena. Lezo lanjare zakho ezikuthele zona. uMandla entertain wena ngazi yazi. Angisazifuni mina.
Ngiyaxolisa baba.
Hayi. Nawe
Amandla
yini buti? Buti yini umenzeleni yami? Kanti uqubula insimi noma uqubula mina? Hayi man.
Nompilo khashiya man khahambe so we can calm down. Jabu. Khahambe Nompilo, please leave.
Angikwazi ukuliva ngaphandle kwenoda yami.
But he's angry.
Angisafuni wena.
Baba.
Hayi.
Ngese, angibazi ukuthi sihlukanisa abantu basestradeni esibathuphela endleleni bo. Ayikho indaba kaMandla.
Akasakufuni Nompilo, please leave. You can't follow him because uzokunetha.
Yo, Nkosi yami. Ukungabavumela abantu bangaphandle basixabanise. Nawu uyaphela umshado manje.
Umshado. Uzowushada noMakhwapheni njani wena? Oh.
Kanti soneti Nkosi yami.
Nompilo, please leave us. Thank you. I'm sorry I ruined your day. But again, sorry wethu. Damini shaluni. Yabantu bangaphandle. I-foreigners in their relationship. I need to.
I know. Don't know what I'll do to.
What are you gonna give me?
Oh, what you mean? I know what you were going to say, sir.
What was I gonna say?
And say it and find out you cool, but I need so. As soon as you done me, I know you're going on.
Okay. Anyway, my relationship is over. Wow!
Father God, I knew you'd never fail me. Thank you. Papa God, thank you. I knew, I said it. I was fasting, I was praying to you.
Doesn't mean I want to date you.
Thank you. Lisa.
Please leave me alone. But it did last long.
How long?
Longer than usual.
Okay, how long?
Was it not 4 or 5 months?
Yes, I said, Mina, it's not gonna
You
pass
said
6 months.
It did pass what you said though.
I said 6 months.
You said a month.
No, I said 6
You
months.
said a month.
I gave it 6 months. I still remember what I said.
Whatever, Sabani.
said
I
6
know you're
months.
lying.
So I knew it. My God never fails me. He has never.
Wow.
Oh, thank you. I knew this was coming. I'm not surprised. I'm just happy. I'm not surprised. I knew it was coming. Iphele nini ke sana? But that bakuloyile.
Probably 3-4 days ago.
Yazi problem yakho yini?
Mm-hmm.
But now angikublame and I understand.
Mm-hmm.
Before utholane nomuntu wakho kumele ube naye empilweni.
Mm-hmm.
Sambe senza kanje.
Mm-hmm.
Singena la ngamelanga singene khona. Understand you?
Yeah.
Siyafunda.
Mm-hmm.
Until uzuhlangane nomuntu okumele uhlangane naye.
Yeah.
Yabo, so
Mhm.
laba abanye there are lessons ukuthi nje learn something guys
I
bafethu
guess.
ningofakazi bami. I said it before you ukuthi izophela.
Well, it's over.
This I
I'm
said.
probably gonna be single for the rest of the year now.
Rest of the year take your
Mm.
time.
But I always do.
Take your time, mom. Don't rush. Don't rush.
Mhm.
Even nalo ka 2003
Mhm.
bayithi ufuna ukubuya. If they want to come back, ungathi no. Let them come back.
2003.
Yeah, if they want to come back, as long as basase right la,
Mhm.
they have to be.
So you support me being a gold digger?
Yeah, isitanga sakho akumelanga sidrop just because kumele siqale asibe la. I understand and I support you. It's okay. Mayifuna ukubuya, make sure ukuthi he's still loaded.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
Oh,
Naye azodlala
Shabini.
indima yakhe iphele ahambe.
Mm-hmm. Okay. But I'll probably be single now. Oh, gosh. No, you know what I learned?
I said it.
I learned that, shame, I'm a very difficult girlfriend. Ne?
Mm.
It takes a very special man to last with me.
Mhm.
I'm very difficult. I'm not a difficult person,
Mm.
but I'm a difficult girlfriend. Do you get me?
I understand.
And I'm very intolerant.
Awubekezeli
Angbekezeli
dude, yeah.
Like, but it's ridiculous because if in Ite, for example, I'm fetching you at 6, we're going on a date.
Mm.
If we're figuring on 6:30 or 7, I cancel the date. I don't care, even if he's at the gate, I will cancel. So that's the kind of person I am. So it's too much.
Yes.
Do you get me?
Yes.
So it takes a very special man to last with me. So I'm shame. I'm extremely difficult. So when a man does last, I'm like, oh, okay.
But at least lo upushile.
Yeah, you're shame you tried.
Yeah, uzamile.
Until I was
Yeah,
like, yeah, no,
uzamile,
it's
yeah.
I'm done. It's
If
enough.
he knew ukuthi ubezohluleka before coming to the relationship,
Mm.
ubezo give up there and there.
And remember, we had dated before, and I've always
So-
been difficult.
Mm.
So he knew what he was getting himself into.
Shoot.
So yay. Yeah,
So
if I were to ever get married, you must understand. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
That man is probably gonna age before his time.
if not die before his time.
Not die of stress. Do you get me? So that's why my relationships don't
But
last much.
izinto ezifana nalezi ne,
Mm.
you'd be surprised even when ukuthi you know that ukuthi wena we are a difficult
Mm.
girlfriend.
Mm-hmm.
Masuthola umuntu right.
Yes, he'll be
Zonke
able
lezi-
to handle it. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Thank you for
Yeah,
saying it.
I
Thank you.
get you.
Yeah,
So that's why I don't mind.
that's where we're going. Don't know me. You guys, you guys don't know me. Me.
Anyway,
Mm. I'm glad we spoke about this.
then I told you.
Yeah, it's-
But anyway, shall we close, Lums?
yabo manje, I'm more than happy. I'm more than happy, man.
Anyway,
Like
guys.
you, I needed good news.
Oh, wow. From my newly single self, my name is Lisa Sirame. It's an absolute rap. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _
Instagram, it's welcome _Dlamini. It's Ababili. TikTok, it's welcome Dlamini. Facebook, it's welcome Dlamini. She's singing Lamie.
Thank you, guys.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sira Mindombi Yasebebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur Ma. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.